AI cannot help humanity if it cannot help an individual. People slang. Whatever the ultimate impact may be of a report by UK experts in algorithmic bias, the document already has succeeded where many analyst reports have failed. The new report on bias in algorithmic decisions making comes from the government-funded Center for Data Ethics and Innovation. It takes the position that AI decision making must be ethical to be successful, and AI ethics must be viewed as impacting individual people because it does. Thinking about AI ethics in terms of industries, region, demographics, and data sets is an easing out. It lets everyone involved spread harms across faceless multitudes. Indeed, almost all previous examinations of bias in algorithms discuss industry's responsibility, legal culpability, and regulatory agendas. Media level issues certainly demand clarity, but advances in AI are moving too fast for unfocused debates or time wasting games of chicken between government and industries, according to the report. To address the centrality of individuals, the report authors analyze four areas of public life that have deep experience dealing with internal bias and that have varying degrees of involvement with AI: financial service, policing, local government, and recruitment. All are particularly at significant risk of damaging failure if they are viewed as making unfair decisions involving an individual. Not only have algorithms amplified historic bias, they have even created new forms of bias or unfairness, according to the report. UK leaders created the Center to convene business people, policymakers, experts in civil society, and the public to develop the right governance regimen for data driven technologies. The document has specific numerous recommendations for interested parties in each sector as they seek a path that balances the legitimate demand for privacy with the equally legitimate need for some amount of data to operate efficiently and develop useful new products. More broadly, this view of ethics cannot succeed if it is invoked in a finished product review or even during sourcing. It has to suffuse all of the organizations that hold stakes in seeking successful AI products reach the market. The author insists that the way to tackle bias algorithms in recruitments, for example, must form part of and be consistent with the way we understand and tackle discrimination in recruitment more generally. Okay, off top.